12 arrested in Johannesburg crackdown after PSIRA and SAPS best unregistered security officers and company directors. 12 suspects were arrested in a joint operation between PSIRA and South African Police Services in Johannesburg Central, targeting illegal security activities. Authorities confirmed 12 criminal cases opened, 12 arrests effected, 3 code of conduct investigations initiated. The arrested suspects include 5 Zimbabweans, 1 Congolese, 4 South Africans, 2 directors or managers, South African and Zimbabwean nationals. PSIRA said the suspects were unregistered security officers and a company executive unlawfully deploying personnel. All will face prosecution for breaching private security industry regulations. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the video.